Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love from Lizi September 2020 Super Kit has finally arrived. Lizi had lots of delays with products, so the release was just a little bit later than her usual time. But everything has now arrived and kits will start shipping off very shortly for subscribers and also to anyone who purchases an individual kit. So let's jump right in and I'll show you everything that's included. There are 7 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's 2 white, a red, a mint green, pink, blue, and navy. Now these are all a nice heavyweight cardstock. Since it is a super kit, this is Love from Lizi's 4-year anniversary. There's always some extras packed in this kit. For the pattern paper this month, there are 24 sheets of single-sided 6x6 papers. And if you haven't noticed the theme yet, this kit is called Wonderland. So it has the Alice in Wonderland look to it. There are lots of fun images. Some of the papers have the icons. There's some that have these diamond designs in the smaller size and also the larger size. Lots of little circles, lots of hearts. We have the rabbit, the playing cards, and of course we have Alice. There's some that have just a floral design, and they have a little bit of a splatter look. Almost looks like a glitter splatter, but there isn't any glitter on any of these papers, so it's nice and smooth. So there is the final pattern paper, and you can see there's a lot in this kit. Here's the stamp set that comes with the kit. The icons and the sentiments work perfectly with all that pattern paper. I love that bottom sentiment. We're all mad here. So it has Alice, some teacups, there's the keyhole and a key. Lots of fun images to work with. And then there is the ephemera pack. And Lizi filled this pack. There are 100 pieces. And I'm just going to flip through these really quickly since there's so many pieces. Some of the pieces are on the larger size, and then there's some itty bitty little sprigs and florals included in there as well. So I have those wreaths with the key and the keyhole. There's several different Alice images with different hair and skin color. I have lots of the rabbit, a bunch of different teacups. There's the Cheshire cat. A bunch of different playing cards. There's lots of different floral images. You could create your own bouquet or wreath with them. I love this pink flamingo. It's darling. Then there's the one with the 2 kissing. So more florals. There's even the pocket watch. There's one with just Alice's dress. And then there's Mad Hatter's hat. Just another Alice, and then some more teacups. So you can see all the pieces that are included. Next up is a brand new peel-off color. This is Ruby Red Mirror in the Pinstripe version. It's really pretty. And then since this is a super kit, we get the coordinating dies to go with all of those stamped images. So there's one die that will coordinate with each image. And then for the teacup, the same die works for both of those stamps since they're the same size. So no fussy cutting required for any of those stamped images this month. Next, there is a pack of enamel glitter dots. There's 5 different colors in 3 different sizes. And these are really sparkly. There is the sample size bag of the sequin mix. If you love sequins, you can always purchase the full-size bag as an add-on. And then there are 5 different ribbons in 5 different colors, and these match perfectly with those enamel dots. Lots of fun, bright colors in this kit. And then next there is a pack of acetate sentiments. So kind of hard to see. They have a gold foil to them. I'll put them on some white cardstock. There are 5 different sentiments, and you'll get 6 of each one. So there's sending love, love you always, best wishes, get well soon, and also wishing you a very happy birthday. It's a really nice assortment of sentiments to use on a variety of card themes. Next up is a pack of sticky notes. In a previous Love from Lizi kit, she had this same sentiment. This is, I made this card with love and hope you enjoy it. My greeting is on this sticky note so you can peel it off and reuse the card to brighten someone else's day. So in a previous kit, she had the vertical version. Now she has it in horizontal as well. So you can send a card to someone, put your note on this, and then they can resend out that card once they remove that sticky note. So that was everything that was included in the September kit. There are some add-ons. There are 4 different stamp set add-ons this month, and each of them include the coordinating dies for all of the images. The first stamp set is called Gone Mad. It has Mad Hatter's hat, has the pink flamingo, some playing cards, and then 4 different sentiments. The next stamp set is called Drink Me. So it has the potion with the little note that says Drink Me, and it has the cake. I think it's a cake. It's been a while since I've seen Alice in Wonderland. I don't remember if it's a cake or a cookie, but it has Eat Me on there. And then there's 3 different sentiments and then 4 teeny tiny little hearts. I'm just laying the dies on top so you can see that they all coordinate. And for the hearts, you'll use the same die for 2 of each of the hearts, since there's 2 different sizes. The next stamp set is called Oh Dear. So it has the rabbit with the pocket watch. There's 3 different sizes and then 2 sentiments. One of the sentiments is the hurrier I go, the behinder I get. And the other is, oh dear, I shall be too late. So even if you don't like to color images, there's some great sentiments included on these sets. And then the final stamp set is called I'm Not Crazy. So it has the Cheshire Cat, there's a bow, and then 2 sentiments. This is, I am not crazy, my reality is just different than yours. And the other one is, if you don't know where you want to go, then it doesn't matter which path you take. So there are the 4 stamp sets with coordinating dies, and these are all individual add-ons that you can purchase. Next, there are 2 dies, and these are larger size dies, so you could easily use them on the front of the card and not need to add a lot of extra. I'm just laying it on my craft mat so you can see the size on each of these. The one on the left is just a little bit larger. So it's hard to see what they look like, so I did run them through my die cut machine real quick with some solid cardstock. I think I should have used a darker color for this first one. I'll just put it underneath some dark cardstock. So this is We're All Mad Here. So it has the sentiment in the middle and a wreath of different images all around the outside. And then the second one is It's Always Tea Time. And I think it would be easy to snip off some of those images or even that sentiment if you wanted to use them individually. So moving on next, my favorite add-ons every month are the peel off bundles. So there's 2 different bundles this month. First is the Wonderland Variety bundle. So you're going to have the mini hearts in red glitter. There's a light blue in the straight. There's black glitter in the mini hearts and then white in the pinstripe. And the other one is the Wonderland Pinstripe. So these are all pinstripes. There's teal mirror, silver moon dust, black, and also gold holographic. So beautiful colors, and you can never have too many peel-offs. The final add-on that I received is the Wonderland Pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 7 sheets. This is a little different than the usual pearlescent cardstock that Lizi uses because it has white on the back this time, but they all still have that beautiful shimmer finish. Now here's just another look at Love from Lizi's September 2020 Super Kit. It's a super kit because we're celebrating Love from Lizi's 4-year anniversary. I will have links provided in the description box for the kit along with all of the add-ons that I showed. This is a monthly kit and quantities are always limited. Lizi's kits sell out every single month. So if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. Coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this kit. Maybe I'll do a few more than 10 since this is the super kit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.